Hello friends, today we will be talking about Weebly. Is it free? What is it? And how to make a website with Weebly. So here we have Weebly.com. It is free. However, it is limited. So the plans are as featured here. We have free, which is limited to 500 MB storage. And then we got the starter, pro, and business. The great thing about Weebly is that you can create a very cool, professional, beautiful website quickly and easily, as well as an e-commerce store. And with the free account, you will have a Weebly subdomain, and once you upgrade, you can have your own domain, or you can connect your own domain.com name to your website or store. And the great thing about Weebly is you can try it out. It's free, 100% free. It will display ads on your site, but at least you can try it out, and if you like it, then you can upgrade later. So that's pretty cool with Weebly. So let's get started. Once you sign up with a Weebly account, it'll ask you whether you need an online store or just a website, such as a blog. So they both work kind of similar. One, you have to add in more stuff like payment options, shipping, and product listing, but they both are very similar that you don't need any technical knowledge. Programming skills is very easy to use, graphical interface. So for the ease of this tutorial, I'm just gonna go with a website, and here we have the website builder from Weebly, and as you can see, it has very cool themes you can use for your website. And let's load up some more, and you can pick any of these themes. I have decided to go with this dog one. Just simply click on it and review it, that this is the website of your dreams, and then simply click start editing, and then now it's creating your website. After a few seconds, this will pop up. Select your domain. So simply create a subdomain or domain for this website. And when you first start out, you may not have a domain. If you do have your own domain name, .com, .net, or whatever extension, you can connect it or transfer it by clicking here, and it will give you information on that. Otherwise, just enter a name up here, click search, and it will give you some of these options to buy a domain, or you can get the free subdomain like this, doggyhats.weebly.com. So that's my name for this website I'm creating. Go ahead and click on choose once you're ready, and let's click done once you selected the name. So here is the website builder, and with Weebly they make it very simple to edit, customize your site. So when you hover over a button or an image just like this, it'll pop up some of these buttons right here, and you can choose depending on the options they give you. You can turn it off, or you can turn it on, or you can upload a logo. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And then these buttons, these are the page button menus, and let's try to edit this right here. So you simply have to just click on it, and then you can edit it just like a Word document. I can delete, I can type whatever I want, and then just simply click out of it, and it's there. And to edit the background, just click on somewhere up here, this section, and it'll ask you to edit the background. So let's click on edit, and we can replace it like this. Click on replace, and once again you can upload your own image. So let's upload another image and see what that looks like. So I just uploaded this image to replace the main background image you saw earlier. So the website I'm creating is about doggy's hat, and so I have a dog and a hat as my image. And once you're satisfied with your new image, or you can adjust the settings too if you want, like blur, and it'll blur the image, but that's too blurry, so we can play around with these. And then once you're satisfied with your settings, click on save, and there you have it. And then let's continue. So you again, you can just click to edit, and if you want to link to something, for instance, let's try to link this. Click on this link icon right here, create link, and then you can link it to a website URL, a blog post, email. So let's do website URL. Let's link it to Google. So here I just linked this to Google, and just like that, my link, I just created a link. And again, you can edit, or yeah, you can also is drag and drop, so you can move things around. So once you hover up here with this 4-way arrow, you can move the text around. You can also move images around. Okay, let's move on to the next part. And you can also edit buttons by clicking on it, and then say you have a buy button or a visit button or whatever you want, contact, and then you can also simply link it to one of your pages, your blog or your page, one of these. And again, you can easily move things around. And let's say you don't want to display these or this one, you can click on this delete icon there and just simply delete it, just like that. Now let's see what these are. If you want to add another image, you click, simply drag and drop an image over like that, and then click, and you can select an image. And the cool thing about Weebly is, say you don't have another image, you can also search for dog in their free photos category, and it'll come up with a bunch of dog pictures, and you can use these. So here's a dog with a hat, so let's select, and there's the dog with a hat. So that's how easy it is to insert another image. And you can these are other cool things you can do: contact forms, buttons, you can add in code if you want, videos, audio, YouTube videos. So let's add in a YouTube video, drag and drop, and then simply click on the video and enter in a video URL, and it will display the video here. So I have another video entered here, so let's check that out. There it is. So this is pretty much the home page, and you can also edit these other pages. You can simply click up here or go to pages and select whichever other pages you want to edit, about and contact. So with contact, you can edit the map, the street. You can also enter in an email, or let's add in more pages if you want. So you can add a standard page, category page, and a blog page. So now I'm going to show you the blog page where you can add a blog to your website. So here's my blog page, and you can create a name. Let's click done. So now the blog page is in your menu up here, blog, and also displayed in your pages. With the blog, it's very easy to create a new blog post, and again you just hover over to delete and add whatever you want. So down here is where you create a new post. So you click on the new post, you create a post title. So let me enter in some content, and now you can add in, drag and drop in whatever details you want over here. Let's do an image, and let's do some text underneath. So there, I just added in an image and just some basic random text. And then once you're done, click on post, and the blog post has been added right there. And then once you add a new post, it'll appear here. The newest one will be on top. And then once you're satisfied with your website, click on publish, and that's it, website publish. And that's my new URL. So let's check out my new website. There it is. Pretty cool, and it took minutes to create. And let's check out that blog. There it is. So this is just a quick rundown tutorial of how to make a website with Weebly for free. I hope this helped. Please leave a comment, like, share the video, and feel free to ask me any questions. Thanks again for viewing my video. Check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing.